In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand Outlook.com and OneDrive changes. Let's start with how Microsoft now measures your storage. Since 2020, your available cloud space is shared across services. That means the same quota covers both your OneDrive files and your Outlook.com email attachments. Think of it as one bucket: files you upload to OneDrive and attachments stored in your mailbox all draw from the same pool. This matters because hitting the limit has real consequences. If you exceed your quota, you won't be able to upload new files to OneDrive, and your Outlook.com email will stop sending and receiving until you free up space. To stay ahead, keep an eye on your storage indicator in OneDrive or Outlook. Regularly remove large or outdated files, and clean up old email attachments you no longer need. When possible, save attachments to OneDrive and share links instead of keeping multiple copies in your mailbox. Here is also an important retention detail to know. Starting January 2020, 5 unlicensed OneDrive accounts are subject to archiving after 93 days. In practical terms, if an account doesn't have the appropriate license and sits inactive long enough, its content may be moved to an archived state. If this applies to you, plan ahead by reviewing what you want to keep, downloading anything essential, and ensuring your account remains active and within storage limits. Now, let's talk about the new Outlook for Windows and the web. Microsoft is replacing the classic Outlook and the Mail and Calendar apps with a web-based experience that's tightly integrated with OneDrive. One of the biggest changes is how attachments are handled. By default, Outlook encourages sending links to files stored in OneDrive rather than attaching full copies. This helps you stay within your shared quota, keeps a single source of truth for documents, and makes collaboration easier. If you truly need to send a traditional file copy, you can still do that. But remember, it will count against your storage. The new Outlook is also customizable. In the View settings, you can switch between a simplified ribbon for a cleaner layout or a classic ribbon if you prefer seeing more commands. You can also toggle Focused Inbox on or off. Focused Inbox automatically prioritizes mail it thinks is important. Turning it off puts everything in a single list if you prefer managing messages yourself. Don't worry, these display choices don't affect your data, just how you work. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.